paper. On your productions, we about to do an Opel Astra with a mildly built engine, cams, pistons, maybe not pistons, but some cam work, full exhaust, K&N air filter, pushing about 138 horsepower, and versus my 140 with my cold air intake, making it 146 roughly, just a good estimate. We're going to take off from a standstill. Three honks from the hole?
Huh?
3 honks from the hole?
Alright.
Wait till these guys. I'll jump in the left lane and shit.
Alright.
I'll do the honking. Damn, that was a good ass run. Alright, let me tell you what happened. My third gear, I caught up to him. His second gear was strong as fuck. So he caught up to me when I had him on takeoff. And I started to pass him again. That was a good fucking run, dog. I was like, oh shit. So your second and your third gear is pretty strong, and then I started fucking creeping up again.
My shit fucked up though.
Damn.
Fucking, just when I pulled in,
yeah.
you hear all my fucking valves on.
For real?
They keep sticking, I don't know why. I got this fucking valve shit that you add in there.
Yeah.
Clean out the valves. I still got to do that shit. That's why I said my motor's fucked.
Damn.
That's pride for this year. He was already doing that shit at Race Wars. That shit was cool, so I saw them lights coming. I was like, fuck. So I started slamming on the brakes. I noticed my car, and all I heard was jerk. Fuck.
I would be good.